Hello, it's a Wednesday today. My company announced yesterday night if we don't have any urgent work or any deadlines, we don't need to go to office. As for me, I have some work and some deadlines today. Most likely, I will copy my files. I needed to go now. I just updated you today, guys.
Baby. Like pretty hot. In those eyes, I was just like, finally! Or would you like to couple up with one of the boys in front of you? Well, it wasn't an easy decision at all. So I would like to stand behind who I am and what I feel, even if that means standing alone. I'd like to stick with Carrington.
No! Tansya-tansya pa rin si Rory. Tigilan mo na yan.
Ayaw na kasi gumalaw ng isa.
Hey guys, I will do some makeup because I feel like doing it. Prepared by Leia, cheese, tuna, pork, mixed ingredients, rice paper. Induction kaya talaga to. Pinag-aawayan nyo. Si Leia yung hindi. Leia, parang mali ka. It is the 5th day today of lockdown. Accomplishments for today so far, 0. Frustration, 1. The frustration that I am talking about is
about my YouTube thumbnail. I am posting in my Facebook account. Facebook does not acknowledge my thumbnail so well, and I have been using Facebook Debugger. I have been watching YouTube tutorials. Guys, if you know the solution about this problem, please help me.
Anyway, I will do my laundry today, tonight, and pahabulat pala guys. Sorry for my potato outfit. I don't have the fanciest clothes for today. I am not wearing makeup, so sorry, please understand.
Ang suka!
Sanay naman yan sa hilo eh.
Ano yung gagawin ko? GMA News.
Ito, pwede ko i-forward lang po.
Tingnan! Shake my head. Para lang tingnan.
Gusto ko na to. Gusto ko na to. Wala akong paa.
Dapat pala yung position mo rin nakahiga rin.
Okay, first time ko dito sa taas. Ayos, there's a griller. Babae! Who's gonna take a shower? No? Yes, please. Yes. Saglit na. Hindi man. Tapos na. Huwag ka dyan! Mochi! Ang galing no guys. Oh, gusto yan ng alone time. Galit na galit yan sa akin. Forget your mask. The kitten. Gogorables na kami ni Moch. Parang
Jujulanis Morissette. Rory, alis mo na kami ha. Dito ka lang ha. Be a good girl. Balik kami agad ha. Konti na lang, babagsak na yung ulan. Very good guys. What a day. Appointment for Mochi.
Mochi.
Yeah. Morning guys, I am going to office. It's a Sunday. See you in office.
Bakit ganun? Antok pa rin ako kahit nagpahinga naman.
Grabe. Wala namang ganyan.
Bakit ang ganito?
Aming lunch, sisig, and inataang sitaw kalabasa. I just got home. It is 9 p.m. na. Medyo nag-overtime ako today. And I'm sorry for my voice, for my face. Medyo smudged na yung aking makeup. But anyway, that is how I spend a week of lockdown. Obviously, Vietnam is practicing the lockdown. They are complying to the laws that is given by the government, which is very good. There are fewer people outside, and I can obviously feel the difference. It feels a little quieter. This is the situation that we are in now. Thank you guys for watching, and again, keep safe, always wear your masks, bring your alcohol, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye bye!